Hello, explorers. Sometimes the most incredible things are found where nobody is looking. These discoveries weren't supposed to be seen again, yet they remain as silent witnesses to a forgotten past. Truly, these 20 anomalies reveal our world's hidden side. Discover what stays hidden. Number 20. It's not a museum. It's a graveyard for over 4,000 classic cars. Imagine walking through rows of history that time completely forgot. Number 19. Imagine walking through a quiet forest and finding this. Someone completely abandoned a fleet of Cold War M60 tanks out here. I still can't get over how they ended up in a place like this. Number 18. I still can't believe this one. Construction crews were just trying to build a bridge when they found a fully armed P-40 fighter jet sitting on the ocean floor. It is wild that those machine guns were still functional after all that time. Number 17. You never know what is hiding right beneath your feet. A perfectly preserved World War II German officer's dagger was just unearthed. It has been sitting there undisturbed since the final days of the war. Number 16. You won't believe what a drone just spotted deep in the Utah mountains. It found a massive concrete staircase leading to nowhere, the remains of a ghost factory that's been hidden for a century. Number 15. You won't believe what is rotting away inside this abandoned museum. We found a 20-meter fin whale skeleton perfectly preserved, and there are 13 other massive creatures trapped in there with it. Number 14. You would think a massive tank is hard to miss, but this British chieftain actually vanished into nature so well that nobody found it for 60 years. It was just sitting out there in the wild this whole time. Number 13. An 18-meter dragon skeleton was just discovered buried in a backyard in Hab, and honestly, it is the most bizarre thing I have heard all year. Number 12. I honestly had to watch this twice to believe it. A group of urban explorers broke into an old warehouse and found a 60-meter tall Soviet rocket just sitting there like it was nothing. Number 11. Check this out. Someone carved a door directly into the Alpine rock, and it leads to an active secret military base hidden in plain sight. Number 10. Deep in the Albanian mountains lies a secret base that time forgot. We're talking 600 meters of tunnels housing a literal graveyard of communist-era fighter jets. It's wild. Number 9. Found a place in Belgium that looks like a literal Subway Surfers set. It's one of those weird hidden spots that makes you do a double take. Number 8. A British P-40 went missing in the Egyptian desert back in 1942. When they finally found it years later, it wasn't a wreck. It was almost perfectly preserved. Number 7. Someone actually found a full-sized Boeing 737 abandoned in the middle of a forest. But official flight logs say this plane was never here. Number 6. Everyone told him he was crazy to keep looking. But after months of searching, he finally found it. Stacks of solid gold bars hidden deep inside a cave. Number 5. Most people think these are just empty mines, but they're wrong. Deep in the North Wales slate quarries lie entire underground towns. Number 4. You're looking at a ghost carnival. We found it deep in the dark, and the eerie part? Everything was abandoned like the crowd literally evaporated overnight. Number 3. This couple uncovered a heavy-duty water pump that definitely shouldn't have been there. Number 2. Who builds a temple on a 1,200-meter sheer cliff? The Baofeng Temple in Hunan does. It's a total mystery how they got these incredible murals and statues up there. Definitely one of the strangest places I've ever seen. Number 1. These look like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real. These are massive Soviet-era Tesla coils used to zap planes with artificial lightning to test their pulse resistance.